Hey everyone, I'm Gigi.
I'm Audrey.
And today we are going to be reacting to BTS's Spring Day. And as always, we're behind and it might be my fault.
Okay, this time it was her fault because she was dying. Well, she was sick, but...
Like, literally.
Yeah, she was...
Like, I had to go to the hospital. I was
She had
sick.
to go to the hospital.
It was bad. But I'm fine now, as you can see. And we're going to try to catch up on a bunch of videos that we have not been able to get to. And this is the very first one because it's BTS, and you all know how much we love BTS. So I'm really excited. After Blood, Sweat, and Tears, I'm hoping that this one does it for me as well as that one did.
I haven't even heard the song yet.
I haven't heard the song either. So with that being said, let's get right into it.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, cute! I like his hat.
I like it already. Just don't die. What are you doing on the train tracks?
Yeah, why are you in the train tracks?
No.
Get off the train tracks. I already don't like this.
There's no place to sit down.
It's not comfortable, trust me.
Boy. This is no time for a nap.
V.
What are you doing, V?
No.
Off. Oh.
He looks good.
Santa Maria.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Fucking adorable as ever.
Right. Why do you say hornelas?
Why do you look cute? King Ratmon. Hit him!
Who threw that cake?
I don't know.
That's cake!
That's a waste of cake.
My inner fat kid is pissed!
No.
I like his jacket.
Same.
You need to get away from
for
train
a walk
tracks.
on the train tracks.
I really like this song. Why are we stripping? Why is his skin so pretty?
That's what I'm saying.
What kind of skin products do you use? Because I need some.
I need some ASAP. Doing some laundry.
Ooh, sugar.
Oh. We approve of sugar.
I'm liking this look.
Yes. Oh, dirty clothes on sugar.
You need to do your laundry, sugar.
Just chilling.
V better be off the fucking tracks. This song just makes you want to do this.
I know. Oh. Alright. Where are we going?
This is like that dream I had the other night where I kept blinking and I was in different places. Run! It should run. Oh, wrong song. Oh.
I swear I just saw myself.
That was a good looking dude.
Who was that? I need to go back that way. You better move. You better not be right there. He needs to do laundry.
It's time to have a talk, guys.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I like Ratmon's jacket.
So where are we going?
Guys, we made it! To where?
To the beach.
The middle of
The
fucking
swings.
nowhere. He got off the tracks!
To the middle of nowhere. Oh, strut.
Work it. Work it.
Walk to that dead tree.
Walk to that dead tree. Oh, he's so pretty.
I'm sorry.
I love him with pink hair. And we ain't in the ghetto. Get them shoes off the oh.
Girl.
Boy. That was really cute.
I liked it. They were adorable.
I liked it a lot, and I really liked the
They were all
song
cute
and everything.
I don't know about V on them damn train tracks, but you know, he got off.
He got off the track, so I
He
mean,
got off.
we're good. I think their outfits are really, like, cute.
Everything was on point. I liked it. They need to do laundry.
No shit.
I liked it a lot. Everybody looked adorable. I love Jimin's pink hair. Cookie looked pretty. Damn it. I'm pissed.
You know?
No. Yes.
Okay, so yeah, I liked it a lot too.
Sorry.
It was really cool. Like, it's definitely different than Blood, Sweat, and Tears, obviously, but I liked it. I don't think there's anything that BTS has done that I haven't liked. Well, there was some questionable stuff in the beginning,
Yeah.
but
But we got past it.
we got past it and we're here and we're killing it.
Yes.
This is really cute. I really liked the song. This is like a very chill, like, I don't know. I just wanted to do
It was
this.
a happy song. Well, it sounded like a happy song.
I don't think it is a happy song.
Yeah, but it sounded like a happy one.
It sounds like a happy
We're
song.
doing this, but it probably wasn't a happy song.
We'll look up the lyrics later and be like, oh, okay, time to get emo.
Maybe get sad.
But it was really cool. And I liked it a lot. I'm so, yay! Stamp of approval. That was great.
I liked it.
Killing it. Killing the game. I hope they continue to do great things, and I hope they go to KCON this year.
Yes, because we want to go.
Yes. Well, that's all I have to say. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And like we said earlier, we're going to be uploading a whole lot of videos to catch up.
We're
on
sorry.
on all the stuff we have
We're
missed.
sorry.
We're failures, we know, but we try. A for effort.
But y'all still love us, right?
Right?
Right? Please?
All 257 of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's
Until
it.
next time.
Until next time. That's how long it's been. I don't even remember how to do this damn outro.
I know. We suck.
Thank you guys so much, and hopefully we will see you all in the next one. Bye, lovelies.
Bye.